Hi, my name is Dr. Anna Hemming and I'm here at Thames Skin Clinic to introduce to you the Cryoglobe. This is an amazing gadget that we use after our treatments to help cool the skin down. And I wanted to show you exactly what that is. So it comes in a box like this, and I'm just going to open this one. What you'll find is there's a little bit of packaging, and out of the packaging you get your lovely cooling chamber. When we open this up, you will find that there is a bag. Now, do not throw this bag away because it's actually really important. You use this bag to pop your Cryoglobe into the freezer. What we'll do now is just have a little peek. So this is a brand new Cryoglobe. It consists of a silver ball that is rotated inside this handheld chamber. You can take them apart. So when you clean them, this is what you do. You take them apart, you give it a good clean, and you pop it back in again. When you come to actually freeze this, it needs to be popped in the freezer for a few hours before use. You will pop it inside your bag. Okay, so we don't want this to go straight in the freezer on its own. Keep it inside its bag, it keeps it nice and clean. Not only that, it means that when you take it out of here and it's frozen, and I've got a frozen one in front of us, you will need to give it a little wipe because it will be a little bit frosty. So what I'm going to do now is open up one that has been in our freezer for a few hours, and here it is. We don't put the actual chamber itself in the freezer, but I've had it in there just for a few moments while I was preparing for this this video, and this is now really quite cold. So when I open this up, you will see that the Cryoglobe here is a little bit frosty. It still rotates round, but what you need to do before using it is to give it a really good rub. Okay, so that takes the frostiness off the surface, and then you can roll it in little circles over the skin. So we use this before we treat our patients, and it enables the capillaries to contract. You're less likely to bruise and bleed. Now, after our laser treatments, these are absolutely fantastic because when we treat with our vascular laser, the actual treatment creates quite a lot of heat and redness. So you can then circulate and move this over your treatment area, which helps to cool it down so you get less swelling and less bruising. But there are lots of other benefits to having one of these, and you can buy these in clinic and take them home. So the Cryoglobe can be used in any area of your body. So if you were to have an injury or to need some rehab for any sports injuries, etc., it's a great thing for some cooling. But it can also help with fine lines and reduce wrinkles too. It stimulates collagen and it creates a more youthful and fuller rejuvenated skin appearance. So it's really helpful generally for skin health. We also use it to reduce puffiness underneath the eyes, as well as reducing pore size. So how does it do that? Well, the cold helps to contract the pores. Smaller pores mean that they fill less and you get less congestion within the skin. When we're doing the circulating movement with the Cryoglobe on the skin, we find that it helps with lymphatic drainage. So that works brilliantly, and it helps to soothe the irritation and inflammation that you get with conditions like rosacea, and again post-treatment, removing the redness and the puffiness from some of our more invasive treatments. As far as skin conditions go, it can be very helpful for dermatitis, eczema, even psoriasis and acne. Yes, they are all very different types of skin conditions, but cooling of the skin helps to reduce inflammation, and each one of those has an inflammatory section to that. It stimulates endorphins, so it can help you feel better, and it also helps to increase the local metabolic rate in the treatment area. So as you can see, there are lots of benefits to having a Cryoglobe. We use them in clinic, so when you do come in to have your laser treatments or microneedling treatments, please don't be surprised whether we actually use one of these on your skin. And if you do want to purchase one from us, they're £89 and can be bought from our reception. So I hope you found that really interesting. I certainly really enjoyed developing this side of one of our clinic merchandise, and we really hope you find it useful. So take care, and don't forget that you can buy these from us in Thames Skin Clinic. Take care. Bye bye.